Hi, my name is Emily Carlson, and this is my Assistive Technology Implementation Project. So the student that I will be doing my lesson with, his name is Harry. He's a 6-year-old on the autism spectrum in a general education classroom. His strengths is that he's a technology user. He's proficient in math, science, and writing. He performs at grade level in those subjects. Some of his challenges are reading, transitioning between activities, and remembering steps in a sequence. The lesson I will be teaching Harry is his morning and nighttime routines, so completing his routines without forgetting any steps or tasks in the routines. The goal is, using a visual schedule, Harry will independently complete his morning and nighttime routines without reminders from his parents or therapist. The environment that I will be teaching this lesson is in Harry's home. So I will have to provide training on the use of the assistive technology that I made for Harry, which is an interactive visual schedule. I will have to train both Harry and his parents on how to use that. The materials I'll need are anything he needs for his morning routine, which should be in his house already, or his nighttime routine. And I will also need Harry to have a tablet or computer to access the interactive visual schedule. So the task is teaching Harry his morning and nighttime routines. So Harry's task is to do his morning and nighttime routines. First, I will train Harry and his parents on how to use the visual schedule. Second, I will go through his morning routine with him and show him each step and help him check off with the visual schedule. I will also do this for his nighttime routine. The third thing I'll do is show Harry and his parents how to review the entire schedule once it's completed. Finally, I will require Harry's parents to continue to monitor Harry's use of the visual schedule when performing his morning and nighttime routines. So the assistive technology tools that I think will benefit Harry is the high tech is that I have made an interactive visual schedule. And it's interactive because when you click on the buttons and icons, they talk. So when Harry will click on the time button, it'll say 6:45 a.m. When he clicks on the task button, it'll say brush teeth. And when he checks off the task, it'll say I have brushed my teeth. So he knows what he just completed. A mid-tech assistive technology that might help Harry is setting an alarm, so like an alarm clock, for just reminding him when to start his morning routine. So when the alarm clock goes off, he can know that it's time to start morning routine, or when the alarm goes off, it's time to start my nighttime routine. A low-tech technology that could be used is printing the visual schedule out and placing it in each location that he will use in his morning and nighttime routine. So in the bathroom, in the bedroom, and in the kitchen. So now I'm going to show you the interactive visual schedule that I created for Harry. So I made it on Boardmakers. Let me turn it on.
My morning routine.
So as you see, when he opens it up, it'll say my morning routine. So he knows that he's doing his morning routine. Now I'll show you how the buttons talk and how the checkbox says what you completed.
6:45 a.m. Brush teeth. I have brushed my teeth.
So as you can see, you can click on each step and then check it off. After a while, Harry's going to get used to this morning routine, so he probably won't need to click on the first two buttons, but he can click on the last button and know what he just completed, and he'll know what next step is.
I have brushed my hair. Get dressed. I have gotten dressed. 7:30 a.m. Eat breakfast. I have eaten breakfast. Get my backpack and get on bus. I have gotten my backpack and will get on the bus.
So once he checks all them off, he can review it himself or he can review with his parents. He can just click on this button and it'll go through all the steps.
6:45 a.m. Brush teeth. 7 o'clock a.m. Brush hair. 7:15 a.m. Get dressed. 7:30 a.m. Eat breakfast. 8 o'clock a.m. Get on bus.
And as you can see, once it's reviewed after all of them have been checked off individually and it's been reviewed, it goes back to, it clears the board. So then it's ready for Harry to use the next day. The nighttime schedule is very similar.
My nighttime routine.
So again, when he clicks on, opens it up, it'll say my nighttime routine, and he'll know that he's got to start his nighttime routine.
7 o'clock p.m. Eat dinner. I have eaten dinner.
So as you can see, it's very similar to the morning one. When he clicks on the buttons, it talks. Since he's not very good at reading, he might not be able to read brush teeth, but if he clicks on it,
brush teeth,
he can hear that it says brush teeth. Or he clicks on the pajamas.
Change into pajamas.
You can see that it says change into your pajamas. So these are the two interactive visual schedules, the high-tech assistive technology that I made for Harry. And I hope you guys enjoyed my presentation.